Hello, creative people. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things art and creativity. Today, I bring you a complete review of Acrilex School Watercolor. If you're curious to know if this product is any good, keep watching because we'll find out together what to expect from this watercolor. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content. My name is Norma Corrado, and that is what we are going to do now. This watercolor comes in a flexible plastic container with rounded edges, which I found very pretty. The lid can be used as a palette. It comes with 12 colors and a brush, which I decided not to use because I didn't think it was very nice as it sheds hairs. The tablets are round and have a dry texture. This watercolor is made with dyes and has an inert charge. Let's test the colors. The colors are white, yellow, orange, pink, magenta, light green, light blue, dark blue, ochre, brown and black. The paint comes out easily from the tablet and spreads satisfactorily on the paper. It expands well for a school watercolor. The colors are quite pigmented, although they are opaque, and when they dry they lighten a little. It's a very cheap watercolor, excellent for children to play with. After drying, the texture is smooth. Let's test it out in practice. To do this, I'm going to paint a beautiful cactus. This drawing is available for free download on my blog. The link is in the video description. The paint spreads well on the paper and has good expansion. The colors don't stain easily. The paints mix well and can be removed relatively easily after being applied. To my surprise, this watercolor held up well to layered work. It worked well on the details. And here is our finished painting using Acrilex school watercolors. Overall, I am pleased with the result considering it is a school watercolor. Turned out really cute. If you are looking for a set of watercolors for your son or daughter to start their artistic adventures, this could be a great place to start. They are affordable and the colors are really pretty. Since it's a super cheap watercolor, it was worth buying to test it out. I'm going to use it as a background for my coloring book drawings. Tell me in the comments, did you know this watercolor? Enjoy, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and buy my book Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description.